Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. As you see, guys, here that the SP 500 also we enter short because we used to have here that mega fund for some time now. We enter here, we came down here, we take some of the profit, and over here I told you here we used to have here like a flag like that. That flag it's being broken here in the market opening or the weekly market open here in Sunday. And look, tell where we are now. We are here exactly at that level. So what that indicating? That it's indicating the market is going upward. And that one it's applied to it the same thing like I was showing you yesterday in the video of the Bitcoin. By the way, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it now. I told you here, the place where it's breaking here. You do it like that. When it's going to reach here, to that level here, you close some of the profit. You saw me how I do it? I bring a vertical line from here and I put it here. Now also we are 50%. It need to move more. It need at least to come to that level here, guys. Or you can even now start thinking of to protect yourself. Why? I'm going to tell you why in that video. So, by the way, yes, you. Are you not yet in our family? Why, my friend? You can join us just by subscribing in our channel. It's very simple. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to also like that. You're going to be in our family. It will not take you that much, just 5 seconds. You can do it now. Just pause the video and do it now. You done it? Welcome to the family. Or you can even join us in Telegram if you want. In Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube if you want. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now here, guys, what shall we do here? Now, we don't have nothing to do now, guys. Let's see our indicator. Our indicator is enter here to the overbought area, guys. That's why I told you, you can now start thinking of to protect yourself, to move stop loss, to the break even, to close something, because today is Monday and you know what's happening in Monday. And in that week, it's coming very, very, very important news. So, try to protect yourself because look with me here. You saw it or not? From here, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. We break it here. Now we go back to test it again here. Now in that place. So maybe from here we're going to fall down. Shall we look in now for short? Not yet, my friend. We don't have any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short. We need to wait in a little bit. Everything is too clear now. It's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes. Same thing. Look here what the SP 500 give you here. Give you here a double bottom here. The last video when we analyzed the SP 500, it was near to complete it. Then I told you need to wait. When it's breaking here, we'll have you enter long tail here now. Should you looking now for short? Not yet. You don't have here any price action. You can just make something like that. But that one, it need more time for you to fall down again. So over here in 30 minutes, we don't have nothing yet. The market is still going up. Look at it. And the entry for that one will have you enter from here. Look with me. Will have you draw here like a wedge like that. When it's getting broke here, will have you enter long. But the same thing here for that double bottom like that. So now there is nothing to do now. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator it's saying also we enter here to the overbought area. Shall we enter short? No, my friend, we don't have any price action. Yes, the people they enter from here over here try to protect yourself. Close something, close some of the profit now, and you wait in if there is a price action came here for you to close everything. Till now there is nothing, guys. Everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment if you could. Go ahead and do it, support us. Done it? Thank you very, very, very much. Now let's go into see the SP 500. Guess what's it doing today? So it's going there. There we are in the SP 500. It's the same thing. Look at it here. We enter short because we used to have here that mega phone when it's getting broke here. We enter short. Down here, it gave us here, if you remember what me I told you, like here, like a triangle like that. When it's getting broken here, we'll have you enter long. Look, tell where you are now. You are near and close to the 200 moving average. And people, they enter based on that symmetric triangle where it needs to be the take profit of them. It needs to be here exactly in the 200 moving average. So the people they enter long now, try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself. Why? Because you don't know what's going to happen, guys. It's coming very, very stronger news that week. So try to protect yourself. That's the only advice I can give you now. Why should you protect yourself? Let me show you why. As you see, guys, here our indicator it started entering here to the overbought area. Yes or no? So try to protect yourself. Take some of the profit and move the stop loss to the break even. Why? Because that week, guys, is going to come very stronger news. Everything is very simple now. The Nasdaq people, they enter in the Nasdaq 100, right? To protect yourself. Remember that. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Same thing. We used to have here that wage like that, as you see it. It's getting broke here. We'll have you enter long. And another thing here. Look with me here. You have here a double bottom. When it's getting broke here, we'll have you enter long. Over here, we'll have you protect yourself. Now, what should you do now at this moment now here? The only price action we have there is that megaphone. It's need that one to come down till here to break here. Should we enter short now? At this moment, no. We don't have any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short. Over here, it's showing it's still going up. Because as you see it, what it do here, it go up. Here, it give you a flag here. Then after that, it continued upward, guys. So that flag it give you here, that one here, the take profit of it, you do it like that. So that one is good to go till here, guys. Till now, it's still going up more than that. So all US stocks or the top 100 companies in the Nasdaq 100 is still going up. I don't know what they knowing. Maybe that week is going to come very good data from the Fed, but let's wait and what's going to happen. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, it's showing here. Also, we enter here to the overbought area. Should we enter short? No, we don't have any price action here. That one is just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trading on it. Now let's go into DXY, guys, to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY. That one, what else we said about it? We used to have here like a triangle like that. It's getting broke. Here in that place, in that zone here, exactly, it's getting broke. It went up till here. We'll dive you take profit here. Why? Because that one here, look with me here. That zone here is the top of that wage. That wage also started from here. And that normal over here, you need to close everything. Our indicator, what it say? Let's see it. Our indicator, as you see it, it enter here to the overbought area. So we'll have there, you close some of the profit. Now here for that short, which is going now. Look with me here. It give you here a double top here. Then it came at breaking for you the neckline here. The take profit for that one, where it need to be. You do it like that. Same thing. You do it till here, till 102. In that 102, what else we have? In that 102, guys, if we're going from here to the daily, let me show you. As you see it, guys, you see in that 102 what we have. We have a very stronger level, and we have that trend line also we've been following from long, guys. So people, they enter short at that level, try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Maybe from here it's going to go up. So always try to protect yourself before it's too late. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, look at it here. It give you here a triangle here. It's been broken here. All of you enter short, look till where? That 102 us we're talking about. And that here, the trend line. Should you enter long now? No. We don't have any price action here indicating for us we need to enter long. The only thing you need to wait in that one to come to break here at that zone here. Till now, it's still very, very, very far away. Or it needs the market to give you here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse and there is no power to break down here. But till now, we're still in a downtrend here in 30 minutes in the US dollar, guys. So all the people they trading against the US dollar, all the other pairs, British pound is going up, the Euro USD is going up, the USD Japanese yen is falling down. You need to do those things. The Aussie is going up. Everything is very simple. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the oversold area. Should we enter long now? No, my friend, we don't have nothing. Yes, the people they enter short from here, from that zone here, from that one over here, try to protect yourself. At that zone down here, try to protect yourself. Close some of the profit. We are in a very, very decent profit here in 30 minutes. So try to close something. Everything is very clear. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. The Bitcoin, the same thing, guys. As you see it, it's still going upward here. Should we enter short now? No, my friend, we don't have any price action here. The only price action you can make is that one, like that, like a megaphone. But that one needs to be broken down here. If it came and breaking down here, yes, you can enter short here in 30 minutes. Or if you are more conservative person, because the Bitcoin in the daily is going up, in the 4 hours is going up, here in 30 minutes you can enter short. Unless if there is a very, very clear thing came to you. Or as I told you, you wait in the Bitcoin to come down to make a correction, then you enter long, guys. And today is Monday, guys. You need to be careful about that one. That one is the most important thing. When the daily candle finishes, we're going to come back to you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. Should we enter short? No. We don't have any price action yet. We still have that big mega fall like that. It's need that one to come tail down here to break. And we have a small one here now. Everything is very simple, guys. And in the last video, when it just breaking in the 4 hours, we give you a signal. When it just breaking in the 4 hours, we give you a signal to buy. When the daily candle finishes, we're going to come back to you and we analyze it, the Bitcoin for you in the 4 hours, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.